Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I've got my computer back that had to get a new motherboard and everything in it, so things are a lot better than they were with the computer I was using. But we started a new dairy farm, and let's get started. All right, we built a new dairy farm. That's it over there. We'll get into more details on that later. But I've got some straw bale. It's a pretty good sized field. I'm running a lot of Massey Fergusons. I'm running F1 Alice. I've got this Chevy truck. I like it, but I don't like the fact it flies. I don't like that because I've I found myself up to like 110 miles per hour. And that's something you don't really do. So you gotta kind of watch. Um, I got some silage chop. I got that built. Got another one for. I'm gonna run soy or sunflowers because I don't have any other builds for money. And as you can see, I only got 25,000. So yeah, we've got to make some money. I do have Holstein cows, but yeah, it's and only 50 of them are lactating right now. So, but this is the field of straw we have. We felt it or ran the wheat in August, but with everything going on, we planted some grass fields. We planted a wheat field already. Like I said, we've got silage to chop. This needs to get done. And this is where I ended last night. It was about 9 o'clock, I guess. We do have some equipment we still got to get from the store, which is a hay wagon, flatbed trailer, and a riding mower. There we go. Let me jump in here, get it started, let it fluids get through a little bit. But yeah, we have the rest of this as well, which there's a lot. There's a lot. I think we're going to do this until it hits about the 9 o'clock hour, and then we're going to run to the store, pick up our stuff. which is good. I think I've got a field. Let's see. I'm there. I do have a field over there. Oh well. We'll check that out later. It says it's supposed to be cotton. Well, you know what? I think there's no ditches there. I want to see, because if I'm not harvesting it, I've plowed up those fields. So, I question if I did this down here. I know I did that one. I don't know if I did a small one down here. So I might have to send one of the boys down here too. No, I did not. This would be the field I'm talking about, and I'm not going to harvest cotton. So I'll get one of the boys down there later today, plow that up. Got a tractor. That tractor's hooked to a fertilizer spreader. Got a different field. We're trying to do some vacant ground that's not been planted, fertilized. Make sure it's good for the fall when we plant, or not fall, spring when we plant. We're trying to keep ahead of that. Hoping to spread some turn back there, I think. Wanted to spread some lime too this winter. So trying to get all the fields fertilized. That we're not going to harvest. That one's not going to get it yet. That will probably be spring too, maybe fall. We'll start chopping before the town, and you'll see those fields. This red barn off to the side is another storage barn for ours, but I don't have anything over there. I think the hay wagon definitely sitting over there. But yeah, once it gets to the winter, but we're going to drive past the farm and get to town. As you can see, I figure I'll let that car pass. We've got things going. The road we kind of use as a driveway is a dirt gravel road that was made, and they don't plow it, so we're going to have to do that. They don't do much with it, so that's going to be upkeep of ours. But yeah, we definitely, like I said, this computer was the one I had months ago that broke down, and I got a loaner from the guy that fixed it. He said he put a new motherboard in it. It is running a lot better. I plan on getting a new graphic card, so if any of you guys that are watching me knows of a good brand of graphic card, and maybe I can tell you the running everything you need to know for this to see what would match up to the graphic card. I know some, but I don't know a lot. And it's definitely a better graphic than what was in the loaner I had, but I want to upgrade this one. This is the sort of build that we're going to start on. Might be off camera. There might be a little video come out this weekend that could be in also, but we're almost to the store. I come in past the animal dealership here on River Bend. So I've been second truck. The truck that I want to get is a 92 Ford. I found. I play on the computer. I think I've seen it on Mod Network. Anyhow, it doesn't have the option for gooseneck. I like my gooseneck trailers. And I know I could use my semi to haul the gooseneck, but that's not something that I want to do. Because if I don't need the big tailgates down, the ball is in. If I don't need the big semi trailer to haul something, then I'll be good. But if I do, then I have that also. And alright, let's jacks up. There we go. Let's put the tailgate up. Probably put the tailgate down. I got the tailgate down, but now it doesn't seem to. Let's see something here. Still working on. I've got the older console stuff or steering wheel and stuff, and I. Sometimes have to find the keyboard to do it. I'm gonna pull out to here. So if anyone understands 25 and setting up, because I definitely have tried, and it's not always working my way. Let's make sure these power ramps. Were they down? Let's see. They are down. All right. There we go. So the lawn mower we have is this little John Deere. John Deere Rider. It's the John Deere 110. Here's the hay wagon we're going to get. I'm waiting on some that look better. It's an auto load, of course. So still waiting on some of the mods that will do better for me, but I'll come with the tractor probably off camera and pick that up. All that. Get the ramps up. Make sure they are up. It helps here. Did it? Yes. Alright, let's go back to the farm and take a tour. Also on the one side, I'll show you a wheat field we just planted too. And right now, all the nutrient took over the farm, bought it, I would say about a month and a half ago. Moved the cows in because I already had some. Bought some heifers, and then started taking out the bills of stuff I don't have to run the equipment. That's why the sunflowers are going to stay around. I've got a chopper, so that's why the sorghum is. But if it was a crop that I wasn't running, that I didn't have the capability of running, I just plowed it under. We'll be planting a lot of corn and some beans come fall. I think I'll plant wheat for the most part, always for straw. Excuse me, even though I'm going to fill that straw barn. I'm pretty full with that. I don't have hay yet. I got rumor of a hay field, but that could come up for sale this fall. But it's way up there, so that's a question. There's also a hay field right behind the store that might come up too. So if that does, and it's not that far, we may pull a loan to get it. That way we can mow down some feed for the cows. I've got a mixer full of stuff that I bought the material from a local farm. So as right now we're good, but eventually we're going to need the hay, feed also. So yeah, I'm making sure all's good. I really am. So let's turn here. It's a county road, township road really. They don't plow it because it's gravel, but they will maintain it for me. They just want me to do the snow plow to keep it clean. I mean, we're the only ones that travel on here. I mean, as you can see, I'll unload auger wagons pretty much on the road. So I've got a couple ways in. This way, it's a lot of the equipment will come in. I do have ways for the truck itself. We're going to park this right here. So we're going to start off. As you can see, we got a lot of barns. This is seed storage for the most part. I need to get chemicals. We got a garden hose there. We just dump the chemicals in and fill it up. There's the chisel. I didn't park that very well, did I? Coming through the wall. That's not going to work. There's the subsoiler that cleans, rips up the ground and plows it. Here is the small tractor for feeding the animals. 690. It runs the auger and stuff. I should probably move it back to where it belongs. So this is the lactating barn. It is an in-game barn. I think it's going to work great. The only problem is you don't see cows coming here or out in the pasture. That would be the only thing I would change with this is see cows walk in at least. That was a mistake. Well, we'll just park it here. This wagon's the feed wagon, so that's how I feed the cows. And there's the mixer. It is full. It still has 24,322 liters of TMR. This is what we're going to be in later. This probably later today, matter of fact. And we're going to be chopping. Of course, there's the rake and tedder. 2 barns, one for hay, one for straw. Of course, there's the straw blower, and there's to mow down the hay. There's the head to pick up loose grass if we want to do that. So we'll keep that in here for now. We'll move things around. The tractor on the baler will be back. We can use that to move that wagon out. All that jazz. house I'm using is the in-game one from DJ Goham, his old house. He lived in North Carolina. I have the garage added. Here's the big equipment, drill over there. Once we get it unloaded, we come in here. Here's the combine, the auger wagon, the planter. The shop is here. This is the cold store, or the heated room, where I like to do a lot of fiddling around. One of these episodes, I think we're going to take the dirt bike out. I'm going to take this to go around the farm. You guys can see the rest of it. Got to get a pressure washer. I got to find this barn here. We have a loaded wagon and fertilizer that we're putting in there. We'll probably put keep the fertilizer spreader in there. This is the tractor shed. A lot of ways bell moving or bucket stuff. Here's the young heifers. Just waiting on them to get bigger. We got the rock picker here. We're going to pick rocks out of the fields, and we're just going to store it here. Once it gets so much, we will load out, take it somewhere to be looked at, or not looked at. To be ground in the lime and possibly hauled back here. So, yeah, that's the dairy farm. I honestly is really starting to like 25 than I am. 22, I played a lot. I am waiting for it to pass. I am waiting for it to pass. Something's wrong. Maybe that's the grain bins. So let's go in the house real quick. Oh, it's the bees, I hear. Gotta go wash your hands. Alright. Well, we're gonna call this a video. Oh, she didn't make breakfast. She went and bought it. Is she in here in the computer room? Nope, not in the computer room. The boy does a little farm sim playing. I played with it a little bit myself. But he has all this equipment here. Computer here, computer there, screen, laptop, whatever. I get on here every once in a while because I can so I'm gonna check the bees real quick. Thinking about taking opening part of the north fence. That was now. They're actually so well, I got a mower to unload. I've got breakfast to eat, and then probably get in anyhow, guys, Happy New Year. Thanks for watching. And till the next time.